Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing my Freewrite Alpha from Astrohouse, and it's something that I kickstarted in 2022, I think, or 𝖍𝖎𝖓𝖓 or whatever you want to call it, but it just arrived yesterday. Yes, maybe? It arrived recently, and yeah, I just want to open it up and let's get down to it. I'm probably gonna have to take this off my desk to actually open it. I don't know why I've done this to myself, but we've got these things and that thing. So I ordered the felt sleeve, so that's nice. They also had a leather one, which I did not want. And then I ordered the raven black one. You give a goth kid, you know, the option for black and they will take it. Though I would honestly prefer like pastel rainbow colors, but that's fine. I am so sorry. This is oh my god. Everything is just get out of here, please. Great, here it is. A Freewrite Alpha. Hello, I'm Alpha, let's flow. Hooray! Also, as a follower of the Morrigan, these are all Morrigan colors, and it's raven black, so yeah. Alright, we're gonna set my timer so I don't go over, because I have to pick up my daughter from school in, let's do 30 minutes. Sorry, I'm getting, alright, 30 minutes, and yes, good. Good. Alright, let's do it. I'm excited because I get very distracted when I work on stuff. So, also, you know, there's also the whole siren call of the new technological object. And, yeah, this is before I did my no-buy year. And, yeah, we shall see if this is a wise purchase or not. I do plan on writing a book this year, so this will be helpful for that. Let's open this up too. Very nice. So it feels like felt. Oh, it's got like a magnetic closure. That's nice. Magnet snaps. It's fully lined. It's nice and thick. Cool. It says Freewrite in a like embossed way. Oh, so this also sheds the felt fibers are coming off. So there's that. That's just the nature of felt. Here we go. How do I open it? Aha. Oh, I love tech so much. Yes. Okay. It smells like new. It smells like new. Okay. Oh my gosh. There's like so much stuff. Give me this thing now, please. All right. Oh, wow. Cool. All right. So it's got 4 little rubber feet on the bottom. So that's nice. It's got a serial number and it has a kickstand. That's cool. And it does not collapse when shifting about. Oh, just kidding. It does. That's fine. Oh. Oh. Oh, the ASMR is so good. Those are sweet thoughts. Oh, yes, I like that very much. Okay, sorry for that eargasm or whatever. Yeah, okay, so it comes with a USB cable. It's USB-C to USB-C, and it does not come with a brick. We're following that trend, are we? Just checking the box for anything else, and there's nothing. So, okay, that's fine. I see how it is. Let's see. Oh! Your distraction-free writing experience awaits. I'm so pleased. Okay, all right, what do I do now? Tell me. Special, new. Manage your account and settings at this thing. Okay, cool. It's time to begin. Push new plus new to start your first draft. Oh my god. So here's the port right here. It's a very simple little thing. Let's look at the little, it says welcome writer. It knows me. It knows I'm gonna be a writer this year. Right on. Oh my god! Words are hard, especially when you have a brain like mine. I'm using this. Words are hard. Words are very hard. We're here to help. Welcome to the world of alpha. You're about to get a lot of writing done. I seriously hope so. We know that incorporating a new tool into your workflow can be daunting. There are resources to help you. Explore the knowledge base at support.getfreewrite.com and all those other things. Meet your new writing partner. Ready to write? Alpha is always ready. Get started by pressing the power button. When prompted, press both new keys. And step 3 is write. And then, step 4, of course, is profit. And then we've got the little user manual with the quick start guide, a charging indicator. So, okay, there is like a little light for when it's charging. That's very nice. I did not actually reread any of the stats for this before opening this up. So I do know that it's supposed to be able to hold a charge for a long time. So I hope that's true. Meet your new writing partner. Distraction-free, dedicated drafting tool. See, this is what I need. I need something for drafting and just getting things out, because I get really distracted by editing all of my writing, because I typically will go through and read what I've written, and then I will get bogged down with oh, well, maybe I can change this and this and this, because I need to refresh what I've written in my mind so I know what I'm supposed to be writing next. But then I get distracted by editing. So I think this will be helpful because I can't do that on here. Jump words with cursor. So it uses the WASD keys for the WASD for up and down and left and right. Delete an entire word, new plus backspace. Okay. Oh, yes, the thocking. Sorry, I just really like the keyboard. I love mechanical keyboards, and so this just, it feels good and it sounds good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Third-party syncing. You can spacebar, Postbox, and syncing. Alpha uses a Wi-Fi connection to connect to Postbox, Freewrite's cloud platform. Creating a Postbox account gives you access to configure additional settings, access drafts from the web, set up syncing to third-party cloud services, and more. Cool. So that's good. It automatically saves to the cloud, which is nice. There's a force restart option. There's troubleshooting here. I didn't, obviously I haven't set up my cloud account connections yet, so there's that. But I believe it can store internally. Maybe. I could be making that up. Automatically sync your drafts to third-party cloud services like Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, and Evernote through your Postbox account. In your Postbox account, you will be able to customize cloud services settings so that your device will automatically sync to your third-party cloud service in addition to Postbox. That's cool. You can also save a draft to email by pressing the send key, which is here. Send. Press the send key to send the current draft open on your device to your email address. Note, if you have logged into Postbox, drafts will sync automatically in the background. You do not have to press send every time you wish to save a document. The send feature is solely for sending the draft to your email. Okay. Cool. There's navigation and such. All right, let's do it. We're gonna press new. A new draft. What shall I write? Hello. This is my first time writing on my Freewrite. I spelled that wrong. Oh my gosh. Alpha. I can't spell when I'm speaking. I love the Focky keys. Cats, yes. Very much. It is a feast for the ears. I would like very much to draft my first novel on this, my beauteous little writing friend. Good luck to all. There we go. Yeah, I'm really excited about this. I love the keys. I love... Ooh, as someone who has a lot of sensory things, this really hits all of those things that are good. Like, I have misophonia really bad, but I also really like ASMR. And one of my favorite ASMRs is listening to keyboards, especially if you find like a bamboo keyboard, that sounds really great. And this keyboard sounds really good, it feels really good, and I'm just really excited to just use this all the time now. If you have any questions, you know, this is obviously just an unboxing, and I hope to do an update video later after I've used it for some time, you know, after I set up my account on Postbox and do all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in seeing any updates, there will be some. And so thank you for coming to my channel to watch this video. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, hello again. And oh, my name is Maureen, or Momo, or Momokeen, hello. And goodbye. Thanks for watching.